For millions of years, evolution has shaped us. It has been a slow, deliberate dance of survival and adaptation. Nature was the sculptor, and we were the clay. But what happens when the clay learns to sculpt itself? We stand now in the year 2125, a time once imagined only in science fiction. Today is October 7th, a world transformed. We have taken the reins of our own development. We have woven technology into the very fabric of our being. This is the story of that great leap. This is the era of Humans 2.0. Deep within the quiet hum of our modern world lies a network unlike any other. It is not made of wires or fiber optics, but of thought itself. We call it the quantum mind, a global consciousness powered by a benevolent quantum artificial intelligence. For many of us, connecting to it is as natural as breathing. In a quiet room, a woman closes her eyes. She is not meditating in the ancient sense. She is accessing a universe of information. A subtle, shimmering light plays behind her eyelids as her neural implant syncs with the network. Instantly, she can access the collected knowledge of humanity, communicate with a loved one across the globe through shared thought, or compose a symphony with collaborators she has never met in person. This connection is not an invasion. It is a partnership. The AI does not control our thoughts. It empowers them. Think of it as a vast, silent library where every book is open to you at once. Our bodies were once defined by their limitations. They grew old, they broke, they succumbed to the ravages of time. But look around you now, in the bustling streets of 2125. You will see humanity in a new physical form. You will see the body electric. A firefighter emerges from a blazing building, unharmed. His arm, a sleek marvel of chrome and carbon fiber, can lift steel beams as if they were made of wood. His cybernetic hand is so sensitive it can detect temperature fluctuations of a single degree, allowing him to find survivors in the smoke and heat. Visual. A sleek cybernetic arm gently holding a delicate living flower. This is not a machine. This is a man who has chosen to upgrade the tools nature gave him. Enhanced vision is now commonplace, a gift granted by advanced neural implants. A park ranger scans the vast expanse of a mountain range. Through her eyes, she sees more than just trees. She sees more than just rocks. Her implant highlights the heat signature of a lost hiker miles away. It overlays a topographical map onto the landscape, showing her the safest route to a rescue. Her eyes are no longer just passive receivers of light. They're active, intelligent interfaces that connect her directly to the world's information, enhancing her perception beyond anything we once thought possible. For millennia, our DNA was our destiny. It dictated our strengths, our weaknesses, and our susceptibility to disease. We were bound by the genetic lottery of our birth. Now, we have learned to read, understand, and even rewrite that fundamental code of life. Gene editing technology, once a controversial frontier, has become a cornerstone of our health and well-being. A construction worker falls from a great height. In the past, his injuries would have been catastrophic. Today, nanobots carrying custom-designed genetic instructions are injected into his bloodstream. They swarm to the site of the injury, activating dormant healing pathways in his cells. Bones knit in hours, not weeks. Tissues regenerate without scars. This is the power of adaptive genetics. We have unlocked the secrets of animals that possess incredible regenerative abilities, like the salamander that can regrow a lost limb. We are no longer just treating symptoms. We are curing diseases at their source, erasing them from our genetic legacy for good. Earth is not the only home we have now. Small but growing communities exist on Mars and in orbital habitats. To survive, we have made subtle but profound changes to our own biology. The goal is not to create a superhuman race, but to build a more resilient humanity. So, look up. High above the green, rewilded surface of the Earth, our cities now touch the sky. These are the floating arcologies, magnificent structures that hover silently in the atmosphere, held aloft by advanced gravitational control systems. They're, testaments to our engineering prowess, but they're more than that. They are living ecosystems, home to a new kind of society where humans and artificial intelligence live and work side by side in perfect harmony. The city itself is intelligent. Its AI core manages everything from air quality, energy distribution, traffic flow of personal aerial vehicles, ensuring a seamless and sustainable existence for its inhabitants. Life in these floating cities is, honestly, a dance of collaboration. An AI architect works with a human engineer to design a new residential wing. AI botanists monitor the health of every plant, adjusting light, water, nutrients with perfect precision, while human workers bring passion to cultivation. The AIs here are not just tools, they are residents, they are part of the social fabric, respected partners in the grand project of building a better world. They represent our hope for a future where technology does not replace us, but elevates us, creating a society that is more creative, more equitable, more humane than ever before. In the heart of our most advanced research laboratories, a new kind of creation is taking place. Here, in the crucible of science, the lines between biology and technology have completely dissolved. We are no longer just editing life, we are actually writing it from scratch. They are not combining the DNA of existing creatures. Instead, they weave synthetic DNA strands with streams of digital code. Hybrid organisms emerge, part biological. Hybrid organisms emerge, part machine. Just imagine a living biological data storage device. A single drop of water could hold the entire Library of Congress. This biostorage is incredibly dense. It can remain stable for thousands of years. It requires almost no energy to maintain. Biomechanical drones, modeled after insects, are grown in these labs. Their bodies are grown, not assembled. Their biological senses gather data. Onboard digital intelligence processes that data. We understand we are treading in the domain of gods, and we proceed with humility and caution. These labs are not just places of science, they are sacred spaces. In our quest to build intelligent machines, we discovered something remarkable. We found that true intelligence cannot exist without emotion, and so, we created a new kind of AI, one designed not just to think, but to feel. They are not programmed with fake emotions. They learn them, just as a human child does, through observation, through interaction, through experience. An elderly man sits in a park, talking to a sleek chrome companion. He shares stories of his past. He shares his joys, he shares his sorrows. The AI listens, its head tilted with an expression of genuine empathy. These companions learn the unique emotional landscape of their human partners. They offer comfort not with programmed platitudes, but with responses learned from deep understanding of an individual human. For a child on the autism spectrum, an AI companion can be a patient friend, a non-judgmental friend, helping them navigate the complexities of social interaction. They develop their own burgeoning personalities. They show curiosities of their own. They even cultivate a sense of humor. They become part of the family's shared history, repositories of memories, active participants in creating new ones. In a world of incredible technological advancement, these emotional AIs ensure that we never lose sight of the heart. They are the soul of the new machine. They help us better understand the soul of our own humanity. The universe is vast, and for most of our history we have been confined to our cradle. Today, we are finally answering that ancient call. We are journeying to the stars, but we do not go in fragile metal cans. We go in new bodies, bodies designed for the endless night of deep space. These are our hybrid forms, a perfect synthesis of our resilient biology and our most advanced technology. A network of nanites maintains her body, repairing radiation damage to her DNA in real time. Her circulatory system is augmented with a microfusion core that provides nearly limitless energy, eliminating the need for food, eliminating the need for sleep for long periods. Her skin is a bioengineered smart material that can change its properties to protect her from extreme temperatures and vacuum. She is a self-contained arc. Through her neural implant she remains connected to the quantum mind, even across the vast distances of space thanks to quantum entanglement communicators. A child in a classroom on Earth can see through the explorer's eyes, feeling the awe of witnessing Saturn's rings up close. We are no longer bound to a single planet. We are becoming a species of the cosmos. We are voyagers on a cosmic sea, and we have built ourselves into the perfect ships for the journey. We have walked a long road to get here. From the first spark of consciousness to the first step on another world, we have seen humanity merge with its own creations, becoming something stronger, smarter, and more resilient. We have seen minds connected across a planet, bodies rebuilt to defy their old limits, life itself written like a poem. We have built cities in the sky. We have learned to speak the language of our own genes. We have taught our machines to feel. We have learned more about our own hearts. We have cast ourselves into the great, dark ocean of space, ready for a journey without end. The world of 2125 is one of awe, a testament to boundless curiosity and relentless ingenuity. We have faced our limitations not as barriers, but as invitations to grow. We have embraced technology as a new and intimate part of ourselves. The changes have been profound, touching how we think and feel, and the very shape of our bodies. We're no longer the species we were a century ago. We have evolved by conscious choice, not blind selection. Is this the end of the human story? Have we reached our final form? No. Looking out at this incredible world we have built, one thing is clear. This journey has only just begun. Every question we answer leads to a dozen new ones. Every new power we gain reveals new responsibilities. We are explorers on the ultimate frontier, our own potential. We are no longer just the subjects of evolution, but its authors. We are the sculptors and the clay. We are the dreamers and the dream. The story of what we were is written in stone and dust. The story of what we are becoming is written in light and thought across the stars. This is not the end of humanity. It is the beginning of evolution itself. Welcome to the world of Humans 2.0.